The tipping site is fed from 3 sides by dump trucks hauling limestone from the adjacent quarry. Up to 1,400 tons per hour have to be operated. About 60% of the old steel construction was kept for further use. The bunker itself and the material guidance were left nearly untouched. The drive was dismounted and completely checked before final reinstallation. The 4-strand chain conveyor for spillage conveyance was soundly maintained and later reinstalled in the bottom strand. The cross beams were completely dismounted and replaced by a new construction. The track rollers are lifetime lubricated, sealed, and designed to cope with a dynamic impact load applied throughout normal operation. The AUMUND Cat-type D9 chain has an ultimate strength of 2 times 3,600 kilonewtons. It too is equipped with lifetime lubrication and is maintenance-free. The drive shaft is customized to the specific needs of this application. The toothed sprocket wheel consists of 3 segments for easy maintenance purposes. For the same reason, the return chain wheel on the tail axle also consists of 3 segments. The dismantling of the installation took 1 week. After that, the assembly of the new parts and components started immediately. A new tail axle and 14 crossbeams were installed. The crossbeams carry the track rollers. About 40 AUMUND-type return rollers support the conveyor apron plates in the bottom strand. They can be lubricated from the outside if need be. Three new impact beams were installed on the cross braces. They are equipped with a lubricated Hardox covering that match with similar coverings, non-lubricated, on the backside of the apron plates. The conveyor plates are easy to install and fixed with 8 ultra-strong bolts. After only 2.5 weeks of dismounting and assembly under the surveillance of AUMUND staff, the apron feeder was back in operation. After the rebuild, the application has a 100% availability. While the old equipment was prone to chain breaks and chain link breaks, this error source was permanently eliminated. All in all, the apron feeder now is close to maintenance-free and most reliable in its availability. AUMUND. We convey quality.